Hi everyone. How are you? I hope you are good. I'm into Lego.
Yeah.
And what's his name?
Mac.
Yeah, Mac.
Like from...
So this be a roof.
What's the movie? Cars. Cars. And there's also a brand called Mac. So that's why we called him Mac. Mac. Do you like the name?
Huh?
Do you like that name?
No. So we're nearly doing the seats, but not that much.
We've got the seats.
I mean the doors.
No, we don't get up to the doors. We get a roof on
Yep.
and the bumper bull bar on the front. So we'll start off with our blue one.
Blue one?
Yep. There's a sticker that goes on that one. Pen, do you have the stickers? Do you know what?
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah, wait up, I'll find out which one it is. This one here.
Please. Which
Wait.
one is it?
But I
just do this.
Yeah, it goes on top of that.
On top of it?
Yeah.
Please, can I have it?
Penny.
Please.
So on top of that belongs. Yeah, wait up. Will that fit on? So we've got to make sure that it fits all on.
Can I have a little
So let's
in the
go.
middle? Where is it in the middle? It has to be in the middle.
That pretty good?
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. What's do we have to
The
do?
third one each end. And the single side in. Yep, third. 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 in. 1, 2, 3, and then that one. That's 4 from the other end. That's the third one, bub. Please.
Oh. Mini.
Come on.
Now I have a screen to play. Boop, 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 boop.
That's wrong and wrong.
Boop was a bit of the gap.
See? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boop, 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 boop.
Now they face up to the sticker. Face up to the sticker. Up. Pen, what are you on about? Up. Like that, I mean. Please don't mix them up, Pen. Please.
Here we go. Is
Yep.
it all the way?
Go all the way in, bub. Yep. And then we get the other blue one. This blue one. Oh, you need your hand.
Got it.
And then that goes on. Oh, wait up. That needs a sticker too.
Can I? Please.
Number 15.
Your Lego? Yeah. Sure. You want the turtle rescue? You want Ariel? The picnic in the park or Cinderella? Toy Story.
That's it.
Which
Do you
one?
need, do you need a hand?
Got it?
You have this in like that. Oh! Oh, you got pressure. Yeah, put it. I'll hold this in.
Do you need me to wipe it down?
What are you having?
Here we go.
What
Oh, no.
crooked?
Oh.
closer. And I'm having my screen. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Yeah. No, not that.
Oh, this one's. Why did I get that other one so quickly and I can't do this one now?
That's it. Oh,
No,
Daddy.
it's crooked.
Oh, Daddy, you can't. Daddy, yes, you're doing it. That should be perfect.
Is that one good? Are we good?
Uh-huh. You were really silly of that. Stop. Really silly.
I was silly. I just couldn't get it right.
Okay, now I got two screens. Pew pew. Oh, this looks like an elevator. This will be the cover. No.
And that goes. Oh, that's way beyond.
What?
That's way down the track then that. Can you hold the grey one in? The grey one?
Grey one.
Yep.
Yay.
I'll push these in from the side. Down. Spin it a bit. Oh, what's going on there?
I'll do it. You do. You hold the right.
Oh.
Because I'm very good at it. I can't see it.
Do you want to go to the other side?
I can't see it. You're on my scarecrow.
You hold that, yeah. You do that the other side and I'll do this one. Oh, let it go again.
You're really silly. Look how silly you are.
There we go. Push yours again.
How far?
All the way until it doesn't go in any further.
This is all.
All the way
Now
in.
I got a game up. Go.
Oh, walk off. There you go.
No, this is an elevator. The bus is not the storm. I know where it goes.
Either way doesn't matter, as long as they're the same way.
Excuse me, I want it.
Another sticker.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Which sticker?
The number plate.
Number 8.
Number plate. Number plate.
Number 8.
Yep.
Excuse me, I got it.
There we go.
What number 1?
Oh.
Ah! Crooked.
Wow, as good as me.
Okay, can you hold this?
Looks pretty good. You good?
That's sticky. Good.
Pretty good, Anna. Look.
Look, I did it.
There it is. Pretty good. Oh, so it's pretty good. Pretty good for a 5-year-old. Then we need these two.
That's it.
And the way we face that, and they go in. One goes in there,
Okay.
and then one goes in. Oh, there. Sorry. Probably
Now,
need to push that
which
over a
side?
bit.
Does it matter?
And then the CM is that way.
Why is it upside down?
'Cause I think it flips over on the truck, but that's why.
There we go.
And then we need
This is actually crooked.
Why'd you put it in there? You had it lined up right before. There you go.
Okay.
And then now these, before we put it on the truck, wait up, we've got to put these in.
Beep, beep, beep.
So, Anna, where'd you put it? Up there. It doesn't go up there.
Gotcha.
Then they go. Wait, you just lost your light. There, and this one on the other side. Jeez, are we gonna even get up to the
Where's the light now?
roof today?
Where's the light?
I don't know, where did you put the light?
I don't know.
Oh no, they still got more. So this little piece, this yellow piece in the middle, and then these, ready for these two to go on either side?
The other side?
Hold it in the middle, and I'll push these two on. Oh!
I'll have to do this. I know.
There you go. Push that one up. Nice.
I'll do it. I'll do this side.
I'll hold it. Spin around so it matches the other side. Yep, that way. Yep, there we go. And then they go on. Yep, they go on to there. Can you grab that?
We'll change.
Can you please grab the box to grab some of these, please? I don't think I'll grab them.
Hey!
So then they go in the blue.
The blue.
What do you keep on mixing up for, Anna?
I'm having all of them to eat. Eating some delicious Lego.
So,
Can I do one?
you can put this on the truck.
I'm done.
There you go, push that onto the truck. So that goes, those two black ones there, go into there and there. Okay? Not that one.
Ow!
Alright, put them in. Put that on the truck. No, that one and that one go in there. Push it on, I can't see. You've got to line them up. See this one? That black one's got to go in there. I can't see, but no. One. Don't. See the one that's already there? See this? See that black one there? See that one there?
This? I don't know.
Yes, you do. Look, concentrate. Moment.
Got it. Nearly.
You got it?
Hey, you were silly dumbo, you silly Lego.
I can't. Sorry, brother. I'd need the instructions. How'd you go? Any good? Need a hand?
Yeah. Something wrong.
What's wrong?
It broke.
Oh no, that one.
You have to do it. still, really still. It's pretty hard.
Yeah. I need to cook my dinner, darling.
There you go.
Okay.
Got a bull bar now.
So there's one in the back, one in the front.
Number plates, yep. So now we need
Can't you do it?
I don't know if I got the right colour for it. Anna. So,
Yeah, this one.
I needed that one.
These are the seats.
So that one goes in the corner. That corner.
Corner?
And that corner.
Do they go in here?
Other way. Other way. Other way. Yep.
I got it, nearly got it.
Yep, that's it.
I don't know how that works either, but sorry. I can do that. I can do that.
Well, I know how it goes.
There you go.
Ow.
Show me. Oh, you almost got it. On it. Oh, what's wrong? I'll have a look.
Queens and the queen and the dawn, me a passion, ladies and reasons.
There you go.
There's only just one light.
And then these ones.
Where?
Well, I don't know. You keep on playing with them. These ones go on there.
No. Together?
Yeah, like this. But on the other side. Even though they don't say it in the book, we'll do it on the other side as well. How'd you go? Yep, you got one. And then it's just got to go be pushed down a little bit further. There you go. All good. Now is there a white bit?
Where are the lights?
Right, on top. A white bit.
We have done a lot.
Yeah. We've just got to get. We got. All we did was this part here, don't it? So we haven't really done that much. I think it's because we're tired. And that one goes in there.
What's this noise in here?
Oh, that's the light.
Ah! Daddy, you broke it!
Can you put that in there, please?
Pretty hard, it just moved away from me. Max, stay here. There you go, Maxie.
Maxie. There we go. And that one in there. Oh, another sticker.
Okay. See? You're correct. It was the light.
Do you have the tweezers, please, there, Anna? Number 8. Can you see number 8?
I'll show you where it is.
Yep.
Where does it go?
On that.
Okay, give me that.
Do you want me to have a look?
Hello.
Show me. There you go, bub.
I'll just handle it with my fingers. No. Good.
Show me.
Still crooked.
Oh, it's not too bad.
I'm not gonna be a fire. Guess what? This noise. Guess what this noise is?
Not as bad as you in it. Oh, that's your lights.
No. What is it?
I don't know then. If it's not the lights, I don't know.
What's missing?
A couple of joiners.
No.
Is that
There
good?
you go.
Is that good?
That is far. That is really close.
What?
Guess what this hand
Yeah.
is?
Yes, you're right. Righto, Anna, you bloody perfectionist.
I'll show you what it is. It is making the sound. Pretty tricky. Let's run away under here. It's what's missing? There's no black things.
Yeah, black parts.
You're correct. Look.
Oh. Is that a lot?
One here.
Yeah. Is that good? It's gonna have to do that.
Here's the power.
No, babe. I'm going to dinner. You should up.
That'll have to do. Spent way too long on that.
Okay, pack it up now. It's dinner time.
Here you go, Anna. Where are you going? You're looking for that light. Oh, wait.
Just one.
Oh, we need two. That goes through there. Right. I wonder what we're building on here. Did you find it?
No.
Anna, did you find it?
No.
I'm almost up to that point.
This is one. Max, I can't find your friend. He's just hiding. Wait.
Where?
Oh!
Oh, he was here the whole time.
He'll be called William.
William. Two black ones.
I'm gonna put it in the toilet with toilet paper. It's turning round.
Where's the other black one? Anna? Oh, yep, it's over there.
Other black? How many blacks do you need?
Another two, please.
One.
And that one goes on the front. Got the lights. Got the lights, Anna. You have the lights.
I'm gonna make them.
You got it?
Wait, we're doing the roof.
Yeah.
This is just working on this part, aren't we?
Yeah, the last roof. Bless you.
How does it go?
Yep.
Am I going in?
And push again.
I can't do it on the other side. There we go. Look at that roof. Looks pretty good.
Little
Uh-oh, a skeleton is in there. Pew, pew, pew. Oh.
got our bumper and roof on now. And then tomorrow we'll go on with, I don't know what is tomorrow. Well, hopefully we get our doors on. Doors!
I love the doors. And then it'll be...
Exhaust.
We're just nearly done.
We're getting close. We're only 70 odd steps away from being finished.
73.
70 steps.
70 steps away.
Yep.
I wonder what's last. Oh.
An easy step is last. Alright.
Hooray!